Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a texture to a Canva background. This is a great way to give our designs more depth, style, and a unique visual feel. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, this is our page. We will add a texture background here. We click on Elements on the left side. Then we type Texture and press Enter. As you can see, there are many texture backgrounds available. Let's pick a free one. We will go with this one. Let's try a lighter or darker option. We will choose this one. All we need to do now is resize it to fit our page. There we go. If we want to explore more textures, we have plenty of options here. We just need to pick the texture we like. If we want this one, we can add it. We can also add another one on top and overlay them. Once that is done, we can place more design elements on our textured background. Now we can start building out this design. And that is how we add a texture to a Canva background. With just a few simple clicks, we can make our designs look more interesting and visually appealing.